In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your password and passcode for the Revolut Business web and mobile apps. Let's get started by first focusing on resetting your password through the Revolut Business web app. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Revolut Business login page. You'll be welcomed with a simple sign-in page, serving as your portal to access and manage your account. At this point, you need to enter the email address that's linked to your Revolut Business account. Make sure you type it correctly to avoid any issues later. Once you've done that, look for the Forgot Password option, which usually appears below or near the password entry field. Click on it if it's the first time you're logging in or if you can't remember your current password. This option is specifically designed to help you in such situations. After clicking Forgot Password, you'll need to verify your identity for security purposes. This step is crucial to protect your account and ensure that only you can change your password. You might be asked to take a quick selfie or scan a QR code with your mobile device. Follow whatever instructions appear on the screen to complete this verification process. Once your identity is verified, you can proceed to set a new password. Be sure to follow the on-screen guidelines for creating a strong, secure password, which often include using a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance your account's security. After you've entered and confirmed your new password, you should be all set. Now, let's move on to resetting your passcode using the Revolut Business mobile app. Before we start, ensure you've got the correct app installed. It should have a black icon with a white R. This is distinct from the personal Revolut app, so double check if you're unsure. After opening the app, you'll land on the login screen. Here, you're required to enter the same email address associated with your business account, just like on the web. If you find that you can't recall your passcode, there's no need to worry. Simply look for the Forgot Your Passcode option and tap on it. This will initiate a sequence where you'll be asked to verify your identity, similar to the web app process. Verification might involve taking a quick selfie or completing some other kind of identity confirmation, so ensure you're following the instructions carefully. Once you've successfully verified your identity, you can then move forward and set up a new passcode. Again, this information will be provided via on-screen prompts, so just ensure you input a passcode that's easy for you to remember but still secure. And there you have it. Your Revolut Business mobile app passcode is now reset. That wraps up our guide on resetting your password and passcode for the Revolut Business apps. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and now you're back in control of your account securely.